morning. I'm Dr. Ankur again from Max Patparganj, Department of Emergency Medicine. So during this COVID times, as you all know, what is very important is how to don your personal protective equipments and how to doff them before you go into your isolation rooms that you might have created for your suspected or your positive COVID cases. Now, when you enter your donning room, it is very important that you enter as a team. That is what we do, so that you can motivate each other and guide each other during the donning steps. It also promotes camaraderie because that is what is very important as you'll be isolated in your isolation room. So always make sure that your whole team dons together and doffs together. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the steps of donning your PPEs. So you usually get a kit, that is what is being provided all over the world. And when you open up the kit, you have a few things that will come out. So if you come and take a look over here, you first have either a gown or a bodysuit. This one is a bodysuit. Then you have shoe covers. Usually it could be attached to your bodysuit. Sometimes they give it separately. You have your masks. Obviously, you will also require N95s if you're going inside. You have your goggles and your gloves. So when you have to don, always make sure that you have your hand sanitizers with you and you do your sanitization first. Once you have that, you need to open up your gown or your bodysuit. So this bodysuit is basically a dungaree with a hoodie, which covers all the way from your head to your legs. You need to be sitting down for this, as you need to get into your dungarees. Be careful when you're wearing them because you don't want to make holes in these before you go into your isolation areas. So once you have these on, you need to go back to your shoe covers, take them off. Again, be very careful, they don't tear them. Make sure that they cover your ankles also. So you have your bodysuit or your gowns on. The next step is to wear your mask. Now it is recommended that before every step you need to sanitize your hands. I won't be doing that because there is obviously sometimes there could be a dearth of sanitizers. I don't want to waste the ones that we have. So once your mask is on, make sure that it has a snug fit and it's tight. The next step, take your goggles. Obviously sanitize your hands before this. And put on your goggles. You can then cover your head with the hoodie. Make sure it's a tight fit. Sometimes it'll drop over your head. Adjust it a little bit. Next is when you have to wear your gloves. So it is recommended that you wear double gloves. You take your first glove. and these should go inside the sleeve of your bodysuit or your gown. You take your next set of gloves. And make sure that these are above your bodysuit or your gown. Make sure that your gloves are a nice, tight and snug fit. So here we are almost ready to go into the isolation room. But before everything, sanitize your hands again. And now you're ready to go into the isolation room to treat some COVID patients. And remember, it's always a beautiful day to save lives. Thank you.